areas in Connecticut, southern Middlesex and southern New London. Winter storm warning in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a winter storm warning for southern Middlesex and southern New London counties, which is in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Locations: southern Middlesex and southern New London counties and southern Connecticut. Hazard types: snow. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 5 to 7 inches. Timing: snow moderate to heavy at times until 4 p.m. before tapering off later this afternoon. Visibilities: 1/4 to 1/2 mile at times. Temperatures in the lower 20s. Impacts: hazardous travel conditions due to falling temperatures and road icing, reduced visibilities and accumulating snow. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel at an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the following areas in New Jersey: Hudson, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the
what the hell is going on with my weather?
Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, Southern...
What is going on with these weather radios? Because first, if anyone can tell me what the hell is going on with these things, because this one is not working right for some reason. For some reason, this just went off. This one didn't even go off. This one didn't even go off. So, anyone can please tell me what the hell is going on with my weather radios? Because right now, they're supposed to be responding to any event. Let me try this.
Significant snow accumulations. Some blowing and drifting snow is possible late this morning through...
And let's see what's wrong with this one.
Southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex and northern
First, let's move this.
and the following
First, let's move this.
Jersey, western Passaic, eastern Passaic, western Bergen, eastern Bergen and western Essex, and the following areas in New York, Orange,
Probably they have to have good connection.
Westchester. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Locations: interior.
Yeah, probably that. Probably because they had some issues. Like I said, I don't know what's going on right now. All I just say is, I just don't know why the others went off. So far, 3 didn't go off. I had to reset this one because probably that probably helped. That didn't even go off yet. So, yeah. If you... Like I said, I just really want to know what's going on right now. So, yeah. Because this one didn't even go off, this one didn't go off, and this one didn't even go off. So, like I said, 3 didn't go off, which is, I'm confused. So, yeah. If anyone can please tell me in the comments below, tell me what's going on with these things, because these are not supposed to be doing that, and they're supposed to be going off. Anyway, guys, peace out.